Imagine hitting the road in a Fleetwood motorhome, where comfort and functionality come together seamlessly. Fleetwood is a household name in the RV industry, offering a diverse range of motorhomes to suit various budgets and travel styles. Whether you're a budget-conscious traveler or someone seeking all the bells and whistles, Fleetwood has something for everyone. Their motorhomes boast user-friendly layouts that maximize space and prioritize comfort. From feature-packed Class A coaches perfect for extended adventures to maneuverable Class C models ideal for weekend getaways, Fleetwood ensures a comfortable and stylish travel experience. Ever dreamt of a motorhome that doubles as a boat? Meet the Sealander, the ultimate fusion of compact motorhome and boat, priced at $22,000. Inside, it features 2 sofas and a table for 6, easily converting into a double bed for comfy living on the go. Customize your space with options like a stainless steel sink, toilet, shower, grill, and cooktop for a cozy, practical living experience. This German-engineered marvel transitions effortlessly from a road-traveling trailer to a charming boat. Just attach the motor and you're ready to explore waterways. Perfect for adventure enthusiasts who love both land and water escapades. Dreaming of a luxurious motorhome? Look no further than the Scania motorhome, crafted by Chris Ma, a Belgian company renowned for high-end horse trucks. Built on a Scania chassis, these motorhomes combine beauty, quality, and comfort. Each Scania is built to order, allowing you to customize the layout and features to fit your specific needs. Expect all the luxury amenities: slide-outs for extra space, a well-equipped kitchen, a cozy living area, a comfortable sleeping area, and a spacious bathroom. While prices vary due to customization, the Scania offers a unique and luxurious motorhome experience, perfect for discerning travelers. Introducing the Knaus Azur, a 5-star dream house on wheels. This luxury motorhome redefines travel comfort and elegance. With its impeccable interior design and upscale features, it's a true marvel on the road. Measuring an impressive 7.6 meters in length and 2.2 meters in width, it offers spacious layouts to accommodate different needs. Imagine 6 comfortable beds, perfect for family trips or group adventures. The interior exudes sophistication with rich wood accents and elegant finishes, creating an ambiance akin to a luxurious lodge. Modern design elements like smart walls and ingenious storage solutions maximize space without compromising style. Priced competitive, starting at $64,000, the Knaus Azur is the epitome of luxury and mobility, offering the comfort of a 5-star accommodation on wheels. Keystone RV's Passport series is your gateway to affordable RV travel. While it may not boast luxury amenities, these motorhomes provide everything you need for a successful getaway. Ideal for first-time RV owners or those seeking simplicity, Passport models offer comfortable sleeping areas, well-equipped kitchens, and functional bathrooms. They're like your starter kit to the RV world, focusing on functionality and affordability. With user-friendly layouts maximizing space, everyone has a designated area to relax. Whether it's a weekend escape or a short camping trip, Passport motorhomes offer the freedom and flexibility of RV travel without breaking the bank. Explore the open road with Keystone RV Passport series and embark on unforgettable adventures without the hefty price tag. Embrace the spirit of adventure with the Raptor X. Inspired by the mighty Velociraptor, this compact motorhome is built for intrepid travelers who seek both comfort and agility on the road. With dimensions of 5 by 2 meters, it efficiently packs essential amenities into a small space without compromising on functionality or comfort. Inside, you'll find a well-equipped kitchen area with a sink and gas stove, perfect for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. The cozy 1.5 by 2 meter bed ensures a restful night's sleep after a day of exploration. Plus, with customizable options like blinds, mosquito nets, and additional shelving, you can tailor the space to your specific needs. Designed for durability and ease of use, the Raptor X is your reliable and comfortable base camp for all your outdoor adventures. Embark on a journey of luxury and comfort with the leisure travel van Serenity. This innovative Class B conversion by leisure travel vans redefines the mobile living experience, offering a spacious and inviting sanctuary on wheels. Imagine yourself unwinding in the walk-around queen bed after a day of adventures, or indulging in the gourmet kitchen equipped with top-notch appliances to satisfy your culinary cravings. The Serenity is designed with couples in mind, prioritizing comfort and style every step of the way. From the luxurious bathroom with a skylight to the well-equipped kitchen, every detail has been crafted to ensure a memorable and enjoyable travel experience. Whether you're exploring scenic destinations or simply hitting the open road, the Serenity promises to be your luxurious haven on wheels. Step into the world of luxury and efficiency with the Pleasure Way Ontour 2.2, a remarkable motorhome built on the Ford Transit van chassis. Renowned for its compact yet luxurious design, this model exemplifies comfort and functionality. With over 6 million units produced, the Ford Transit has become a staple in the commercial van market, and the Ontour 2.2 is a shining example of its versatility. Measuring 6.4 meters in length, it offers a spacious interior that includes a bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, and living area, all designed to provide the comforts of home on the road. From the well-equipped kitchen to the cozy bedroom with memory foam cushions, every detail is meticulously crafted to ensure a comfortable life on the go. Despite its luxurious features, the Pleasure Way remains competitively priced, starting at $174,000. Experience the pinnacle of motorhome innovation with the Winnebago Era, a Class B+ motorhome that redefines adventure on the road. This revolutionary vehicle seamlessly blends the agility of a van with the comfort of a larger RV, offering unparalleled versatility for travelers. Imagine yourself navigating narrow roads and discovering hidden gems while enjoying the convenience of a well-equipped kitchen, comfortable sleeping areas, and a functional bathroom. The Winnebago Era is tailored for adventurous souls who crave exploration without compromising on comfort. Whether you're a couple seeking excitement or a solo traveler embracing the unknown, the Era provides the freedom to roam off-road terrains while indulging in the luxuries of RV living. In the bustling US motorhome market, there's a rising demand for unique and innovative options, signaling a shift in vacation preferences. Enter the SkyDancer, a German-engineered marvel that redefines the motorhome experience with its retractable roof, reminiscent of a convertible. This ingenious design allows up to 4 people to bask in the beauty of nature while enjoying each other's company. When night falls, curtains draw, and the seats seamlessly transform into a spacious sleeping area, fostering cozy conversations under the starry sky. Built on the reliable Mercedes ATO truck and Fiat Jakarta minibus chassis, the SkyDancer promises both comfort and adventure, catering to travelers seeking unforgettable experiences on the open road. With ambitious plans ahead, this innovative motorhome is set to revolutionize outdoor exploration for years to come. Imagine hitting the open road in a sleek and futuristic marvel, the Tesla Semitruck motorhome. Despite its minimalist exterior, this motorhome offers a spacious and inviting interior, perfect for relaxing journeys. With a remarkable range of up to 500 miles on a single charge and rapid charging capabilities, you can explore without limits. Powered by 3 separate motors, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 20 seconds, even with a full load. Inside, centrally located seats and advanced safety features ensure a comfortable and secure ride. For RV enthusiasts, the Tesla Semitruck motorhome is a dream come true. With prices ranging from $150,000 to $180,000, it's a high-end investment that promises substantial savings on fuel and maintenance costs, making it a true gem in the world of motorhomes. Get ready to experience luxury on wheels with the 2022 Coachman Sportscoach RD 402 TS motorhome. This beauty stands out in the motorhome market, offering a perfect blend of opulence and practicality. With 3 slide-outs, it expands the interior space to provide a roomy and comfortable living area. Step inside and you'll find a kitchen that's a chef's delight, complete with modern appliances and ample counter space. The living area is designed for relaxation and entertainment, featuring plush seating and a state-of-the-art entertainment system. The master bedroom boasts a king-size bed for a restful night's sleep, while the well-appointed bathroom adds to the overall luxury. Built on a sturdy chassis and powered by a reliable engine, the Coachman Sportscoach RD 402TS ensures both performance and durability, making it the perfect choice for long road trips.